In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles in Handbrake. By the end, you'll have a video file with subtitles correctly added using Handbrake, either as a selectable track or permanently burned into the picture, ready to play on your preferred device or media player. Open Handbrake. Once the application is on screen, you'll be working in the main window where we can load the video and attach the subtitle file. Click Open Source, then select your video. In the file browser, navigate to the video you want to subtitle, click it once to highlight it, and confirm to load it. Handbrake will scan the file and display its details. You should see the video title and duration at the top, which confirms the source has been loaded correctly. Go to the Subtitles tab. You'll find it along the top row of tabs in the main panel. Click Subtitles to switch from the video and audio settings into the subtitle options for this encode. Click Import Subtitle or Add Track. If you already have a separate subtitle file, choose Import Subtitle and a file browser will open. If your video already contains a subtitle track and you want to include it, Add Track will let you select it from the existing tracks. On screen, you'll see a new subtitle line appear in the list once the track is added. Select the subtitle file with the extension .srt or .ass. In the file browser, locate the correct subtitle file that matches your video. Click it once to highlight it, then confirm to import. Handbrake will add the file to the track list under the Subtitles tab. If you accidentally pick the wrong file, you can remove it here and import the correct one, but otherwise you're set. Choose Language. In the Subtitle track row, open the Language dropdown and pick the correct language for the subtitles you just imported. This helps players identify the track and display the right label, which is especially useful if you plan to include multiple languages in future projects. Make sure the language matches the content of your subtitle file to avoid confusion during playback. Optional. Check Burn-in, also called hard subtitles. If you want the text permanently visible on the video, enable Burn-in by clicking the checkbox in the Subtitle track row. Use this when you need subtitles to show everywhere, including on devices or platforms that don't support external or selectable subtitle tracks. Keep in mind this is permanent for this export, and viewers won't be able to turn them off. If you prefer a selectable subtitle track that users can enable or disable, leave Burn-in unchecked. Click Browse and choose your save location. At the bottom of the Handbrake window, next to the Save As or Destination field, click Browse. In the File dialog, navigate to the folder where you want the finished video saved. Type a clear file name so you can identify it later, then confirm the location. You'll see the full path appear in the Destination field, which confirms where Handbrake will write the new file. Click Start Encode. At the top of the window, press Start Encode to begin the process. Handbrake will process the video and attach the subtitles according to your settings. You can watch the progress bar move. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of your video and your computer's speed. While it runs, avoid closing Handbrake. When the encode finishes, you'll see a confirmation in the status area, and your file will be ready in the folder you selected. At this point, the video has been successfully processed with subtitles using Handbrake. If you enabled Burn-in, the subtitles are permanently visible in the picture. If you left Burn-in unchecked, the subtitle track is embedded and selectable in compatible media players. Your task is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.